You've heard me say in the past that I don't like to start every new horse like it's never been worked. I like to start them where I think they are and then fill in the holes. That almost got me in trouble with this horse.
What's this horse's name, Raven? You remember? Raven, you remember this horse's name?
Shelby.
Shelby, okay. This horse came in last week. She had about a 12-hour ride to get here. And she didn't settle in as great as a lot of them do. She wasn't bad, but she just seemed a little more worried. So today's the first day that I'm working with her. We don't really know too much about her. The owner don't know much about her. They believe that she might be part like reservation Mustang. They got her from a family in Oklahoma off a reservation, and she's not registered, so it's possible that she came from a herd that was on the reservation, or it could be that she's just like an unregistered quarter horse type. We don't really know. They said that when they picked her up, the kids was riding her in the yard bareback. She wasn't doing anything bad. This is the first time I've worked with her, other than getting her out, moving around the few days that she's been here. I didn't start with any groundwork. I just saddled her up and came out here. I want to see what she does. I want to see what she gives me that we need to work on. And then that's what I'm going to work on. She's, I can't remember how old they told me she was. She's not a baby. I can't remember. She's just a small horse. She's not tattooed, so she's not a BLM Mustang. Let's see what she does when I stand up. They said she was broke, and I haven't seen anything to make me doubt what they said. So just step on and ride off and let's see what happens. Always going to start with my circles. Her back is humped up a little bit. See if we can get her feet going forward. Come on. Let's go forward. Back is definitely humped up a little bit. Hope she don't buck. Let's see if we can get her feet walking forward and walk it out. Come on. Robert just put the first ride on Phantom. I don't know if that video is out yet or not. It'll be out soon if it isn't. He's a lot better at riding those kind of things than I am, so I usually have him do those rides, but I think I can handle this one. We'll see. Come on. She definitely don't have a whole lot of give to her face. Don't have a whole lot of steering. She's riding like she's greener than I was expecting her to ride. Come on. Move your feet. Move your feet. Move your feet. Come on. All right, come on. Played with you enough. Let's go. So what I'm beginning to see, I probably need to back up, work a few things from the ground with her. I was hoping she was showed me that she was a little further along than this. Come on. I generally don't like to start every horse like they're from the ground, like they've never been ridden, because I like to see what I have to work with and work from there. Seems pretty obvious with this one that I don't have a whole lot to work with. I'm probably gonna have to back up a little bit. She don't seem scared of anything. She don't really know how to steer. Don't really know anything, which my impression of her was that she was broke but didn't know anything. Looks like I got the don't know anything part right. Ain't quite as broke as I thought she was. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and step down, back up. I ain't gonna force something and create a problem. So we'll back up. I'll be working her in a small pen, a little bit of groundwork, and then I'll show you another video, see where we're at then. This is, what's her name, you remember?
Yes, Shelby.
Shelby, that's right. This is Shelby. I'll start a playlist for her and we'll see how she goes, and click the playlist and you can follow along. Thanks for watching.